them.
Okay.
And they take it off, they wipe it off, and then they start for a fruit. They're good grapes, and it tastes so good, so they eat it, but it's yummy.
Really?
Yes.
Oh. And then what happened?
They eat it all up, and they wanted another fruit.
Okay.
And there were 3 bananas.
Okay.
No, 4 bananas.
4 bananas, okay.
And they pick them up, and then they eat them all up.
4 bananas. Yeah, how many were there?
5.
No. How? One for
two,
daddy. One for daddy.
One for mommy. And one for 2 brothers. And
Another
4
one.
and 5.
Okay.
And they eat it all up. And they were not hungry anymore.
Oh, okay.
But they saw bad animals, but all the bad animals bited them.
But they bite them?
Yeah.
Oh no! And what happened?
They were crying. And they didn't want to stay down.
Oh, okay. So.
But the animals will not let them go out.
Oh no. The bad animals?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there were bad Spider-Mans.
Spiders? Oh.
Spider-Mans.
Oh, the bad Spider-Mans? Okay.
But they got a bite too.
Oh no. Oh.
So they were stuck, and the big good animal is that elephant.
Oh no. Okay.
And he didn't got bite.
Oh, so he didn't get bitten?
No.
So he's a big elephant is a good animal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So he
Did the big elephant help the birds?
Yes.
How did it?
And that bad Spider-Man, but he was still stuck. But they closed his mouth. That's one of Spider-Mans.
Okay.
And one largest one.
The largest one?
And he got it by the bad animals.
Oh, he bite the bad animals and then chase them away?
No.
Huh?
That largest bad Spider-Man got bite.
Would really?
Yes.
Put it away? Should I put it away?
I
I love your story, Kutima. Sorry, I love you, Daddy. Solo.
love you, Daddy.
I love you, Ananya Kuti.